I'm back in my tent. Do you remember about the tent that we talked about in Sunday's lesson? About how Aquila and Priscilla and Paul made tents. But more importantly than that, they told others what they knew about Jesus and God. Have you built a tent this week? Well, don't forget to ask permission before you do so. Ask your mom or dad what blankets and sheets and tables and chairs that you can use to build an amazing tent. I hope that you will do that. I hope that you will remember about our story this week. I have an activity that I thought that we could do together. I'm in my tent. Are you in your tent? Well, this would be fun if you were, but if you're not, that's okay. We can still do our activity together. It's on the back of our activity page, and the directions say, draw a line from each person to the tool or item he needs to do his work. That's interesting. I think we can do this, okay? Let's look here. We have someone sewing with a needle and thread. And which person do you think would use that? Aha, I see it. Do you see it? That's right here. It's a thimble and it is some thread. Good job. Sometimes it's hard for me to see backwards. Okay, now this lady is a teacher. What tool or objects does she need to do her work? That's right, books. Very good. Now this person right here, this gentleman, it looks like he's a construction worker because he has a hard hat on to protect his head. Do you see a tool or object that would help him do his job? That's right, a drill. He would need a drill at work. All right, the next picture is this gentleman, and it looks like he has a chef hat on. Which object do you think he needs? That's right, he would need this measuring cup for his job. And then this last picture is a fireman. What do you think this fireman needs to do his job? That's right, my friends, a fire hose. He would definitely need a fire hose to help him put out fires. Well, I just want to remind you that Priscilla and Aquila were tent makers, and Paul helped them make tents while he was staying in their town at their house as they were telling people about Jesus. I hope you will tell others what you know about Jesus this week. I miss you. I can't wait to see you again. And until then, remember that I love you, but God loves you even more. Goodbye for now.